Welcome back to your weekly space launch update. We've had 5 major launches from around the world, each playing a key role in global connectivity, military communications, and advanced navigation systems. From SpaceX's relentless Starlink expansion to India's historic 100th launch and Japan's push for better GPS. Let's break it all down. On the 27th of January, SpaceX started the week strong with yet another Starlink mission, sending 21 version 2 mini satellites into orbit from Kennedy Space Center, Florida. These newer satellites are more powerful than previous generations, offering higher bandwidth and improved coverage, especially in rural and underserved areas. But the real highlight, the Falcon 9 booster used in this launch had already flown 13 times before. After completing its job, it made a smooth landing on the drone ship, a short fall of gravitas in the Atlantic Ocean. At this rate, Starlink's global broadband network is expanding faster than ever, bringing reliable internet to even the most remote locations. On the 29th of January, India had a historic 100th successful rocket launch. This is a huge milestone for India's space agency, ISRO. The GSLV F-15 rocket lifted off, carrying the NVS-2 navigation satellite to improve India's navigation constellation. One of the atomic clocks on board was designed and built by India, making it one of the few countries to develop its own high-precision timing technology. With this launch, India continues to strengthen its independent navigation capabilities, reducing reliance on foreign GPS networks. Just days after its last mission, on the 30th of January, SpaceX was back in action, this time launching SpainSat NG-1 from Cape Canaveral, Florida. This next-generation military communication satellite built by Airbus is designed to provide secure encrypted transmissions for Spain's armed forces. It features advanced anti-jamming and resistant to interference technology, making it a critical asset for defense and emergency response operations. On the 1st of February, there was yet another Starlink launch. This time, 22 satellites lifted off from Vandenberg Space Force Base in California, targeting coverage for the Pacific region. But these just aren't ordinary Starlink satellites. They feature direct-to-cell capabilities, meaning they can connect directly to standard smartphones, no special equipment needed. This technology could replace traditional cell towers in remote areas, making internet and phone access possible anywhere in the world. This Falcon 9 rocket was last used just 8 days previously, making it the fastest turnaround time for a booster in SpaceX history. Rounding out the week, on the 2nd of February, Japan's space agency JAXA successfully launched its new H3 rocket, carrying a navigation satellite as part of Japan's quasi-zenith satellite system, a regional GPS augmentation network that improves navigation accuracy in Japan and the Asia-Pacific region. This system is particularly useful in urban environments where tall buildings can block traditional GPS signals. This launch was a huge moment for JAXA after previous delays with its H3 rocket, which is Japan's next-generation launch vehicle, designed to reduce costs and compete with international players like SpaceX. With this success, Japan is now positioned to offer more reliable GPS services across Asia, from expanding global broadband to boosting military security and GPS accuracy. This week's launches show just how vital space technology has become in everyday life. With which launch impressed you the most? Drop a comment, let's discuss.